Hey guys, today I've got a Maytag washer and we've got an electric dryer to go with it. They're not matching, however they do look good sitting next to each other. I'm going to show you the washer first. We've got tons of options on this guy. Right now it's filling up with water. One thing I love about this style machine is you actually can still control the amount of water being used. So you've got your water level. I've got it set to Super Plus, and that's what Super Plus looks like on a really heavy jeans and towel load. You've got a heavy duty agitator that's just getting started vortexing those clothes. It's got fins on the bottom of the plate, so it does a really good job getting those clothes really clean. You've got a spot here where you can add your bleach. Up top, you can pause it if you want and look over these, but you got tons of options here. I've got it set to heavy on the normal. You can control different water temperatures, which is great for your delicates. So if you have something really delicate, you could go cold, you could put it on casual, or even the delicate setting here. And there's an extra rinse options here as well. So tons of options on this guy. It's nice, clean, almost in like new condition. And I'm going to show you that it sounds and operates great. So as you can see, it's agitating. Now normally you would not be able to lift this lid up. It's got a lid switch on there, safety feature. However, I've momentarily bypassed that so I can demonstrate this to you guys, show you that it is in fact agitating like it's supposed to, and then the final spin cycle as well. So I'm gonna cut this now and we'll come back. I'll show you that it drains the water out like it's supposed to, and that it's got a nice, fast, smooth final spin cycle. Then when we're all done, I'm gonna show you the dryer works also. So we'll let it continue on throughout the cycle here. When it's about up to here and starts to drain that water out, we'll come back. Okay, we're moving out of the wash cycle into the drain and spin portion. You can hear it draining the water out nice and fast. And from here, once it's done with this drain and spin, it will fill back up with clean fresh water and agitate on the rinse cycle. And then once it drains that out, we'll be on to the final spin, which is what I'll come back for next. Okay, we're moving out of the rinse cycle now into the final spin. It's draining the water out. Once it's done draining, it'll click over and start to do that final spin. I'm going to give that just a minute to get up to full speed. Alright, we're just about full speed on the spin cycle. Now as I said, typically if you lift this up, the machine would shut down, but I've got a temporary bypass on that lid switch. It's a switch that goes inside the switch, and it basically tells it that the lid is closed. Of course, I'll take that out here once I'm done testing it. This way I can open it up and show you. Spinning nice and fast. Sounds great. Nice smooth operation. All things you'd want to know as if you were standing here yourself testing it out. So I'm going to let that finish up. Then we'll move these clothes over to the dryer and show you the dryer works. Okay, we are now on to the electric dryer. Got that set up here running. The washer's done. Got the clothes pulled out there and moved over. So I've got it set here, just time dry, high heat. Heavy dry. You've also got air tumble for your delicates. You've got a sensor dry where you just kind of set it and forget it and it takes care of the rest. You've got 3 stages here you can set, so if you have a delicate item you could kind of do a combination here. Otherwise I just kind of let it rip, everything on high, heavy duty. Lint trap right here, so you pull that out and change it after every load. And I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. Of course you can hear it sounds great. Nice smooth operation. Right in between those 2 red dots there, it's going to take a surface temperature measurement. These are becoming more common now, unfortunately. So you might know how they work. 76 degrees on the top. I've shined it on the ground there. It's quite a bit colder, about 64 degrees Fahrenheit on the ground. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and open this up. You can see everything's tumbling. Lights on. We'll go ahead and shine that right inside the heating element tube. Plenty of heat coming out of that tube there. Now that in turn is going to heat the inside of your dryer up anywhere from about 95 up to 195 degrees, That really just depends on what you have your heat setting as up top here. So push to start. So really that's it, guys. Now you know everything on both of these work great. They look great sitting side by side. We'll get some pictures up, and you can find all the details in the listing description. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks, you guys have a great day.